Today, I want to talk about chia seeds. If you've searched the benefits of chia seeds on the internet yourself, you'll see that they say this seed is rich in protein and omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids, has no cholesterol, and is sodium-free. Right there, you realize that the person who wrote this information doesn't have enough medical knowledge. Medical matters are directly related to the health of you, me, our families, and our loved ones. So we don't have to be polite or hold back with anyone about this. First of all, the protein in chia seeds is completely different from, say, the protein in an egg. Egg protein is one of the most easily absorbed proteins you can consume. To be precise, breast milk ranks first, then eggs, third is meat, then fish, and finally plant-based proteins like chia. On the other hand, omega-6 fatty acids shouldn't be considered a beneficial attribute for your overall health. Omega-6 is known to be highly pro-inflammatory, especially for individuals whose daily omega-3 to omega-6 ratio is as high as 1 to 30. That means every day they're eating a lot of foods high in omega-6 and cooking with liquid oils that are full of omega-6. The grains they eat are full of omega-6 too. The meat they eat comes from animals that have been fed grains full of omega-6. So how much fish or fish oil do they actually consume each day? None. So don't let yourself be fooled by all the advertising for omega-6 and omega-9. Now, chia seeds do have omega-3 as well. Well, we know that omega-3 is good for the heart and helps thin your blood. I've always recommended and still do eating wild-caught fish to obtain your essential omega-3. Not only do they provide a lot of omega-3, but they also give you plenty of important vitamins and minerals. But there's something important about chia seeds that people don't tell you. The type of omega-3 in these seeds isn't the same active form of omega-3 that people know as an anti-inflammatory and therapeutic compound. That active form of omega-3 is called DHA. But if you look up the type of omega-3 that chia seeds are known for, you'll see it's ALA, not DHA. This compound is actually a precursor to DHA, meaning ALA has to be converted into DHA for your body to be able to use it. Now, the question is, how much of this ALA actually gets converted to DHA? A very small amount, less than 0.5%. They don't tell you this, and it's these little details, these small points in medical science, that when people don't know them, end up causing the opposite results for our people. There are some unscrupulous people, no one knows who they are, where they are, or who they're working for, who go around spreading incomplete information, or just a general idea about each food. And by doing so, they put the health of you, me, and our families at risk, and that's really unacceptable. At the same time, what I'm saying doesn't mean that chia seeds are bad. No. So now, let me explain in great detail the incredible health advantages of chia seeds, without giving out any unreliable, misleading, false information. Chia seeds contain some vitamin E, vitamin C, certain B vitamins, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. So it can help meet a modest but significant portion of your daily needs for these essential nutrients. If we look closely at the extensive research done on chia seeds, we see that they offer remarkable heart and cardiovascular health advantages, help lower blood pressure, even help thin the blood, are exceptionally good for the brain, and to some extent help reduce oxidative stress and prevent cellular damage. But these are not the biggest benefits of chia seeds. The biggest benefit of chia seeds, which is frequently overlooked and seldom discussed, is their incredibly high content of soluble fiber. So what is this and what does it do? Number 7, improving digestive health and gut microbiome. The soluble fiber in chia seeds, when it comes into contact with water, forms a sticky gel, and this creates an ideal environment for the growth of beneficial bacteria. These beneficial gut bacteria therefore help balance your gut microbiome, so it improves the function of your digestive system. This means a healthy digestive environment without inflammation. Number 6, it effectively helps to relieve constipation. Soluble fiber absorbs a significant amount of water and increases the bulk of your stool, making it pass much more smoothly and easily through your intestines. That is exactly why chia seeds are frequently used as a gentle and natural laxative solution to help with constipation. Number 5, Lowers blood cholesterol. The soluble fiber found within chia seeds effectively attaches itself to the bile acids in your intestines, which are originally made from cholesterol, and this process helps to expel these substances entirely from your body. In this way, your body is compelled to utilize its own existing cholesterol stores to produce brand new bile acids. Consequently, this natural mechanism can help to significantly lower the levels of harmful bad cholesterol circulating in your blood. Number 4, effectively regulating and managing blood sugar levels and significantly lowering the overall risk of developing diabetes. Soluble fiber acts as a barrier that prevents sudden, sharp spikes in blood sugar after eating. This specific feature helps with much better blood sugar control, particularly beneficial for people living with diabetes. Number 3, it significantly assists with weight loss and effectively creates a lasting sensation of being full. That sticky gel, it increases the volume of stomach contents and gradually decelerates the rate of stomach emptying. This natural process prolongs the feeling of fullness and can help to meaningfully suppress your overall appetite. Number 2, actively reducing systemic inflammation and significantly improving overall gut function. Soluble fiber is fermented by beneficial gut bacteria and is subsequently converted into various short-chain fatty acids. These compounds possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties and also help to support the long-term health and integrity of gut cells. Number 1, improving your essential immune system function. It is a well-known fact that whatever happens deep within your gut will be directly reflected in the overall performance of your immune system. By actively strengthening the beneficial bacteria in your gut, you will have a significantly more robust and effective resistance against possible future infections and illnesses. These highly advantageous and beneficial probiotic bacteria actively support and maintain the overall health of your gut lining and effectively act to prevent various harmful agents from entering your bloodstream. And when their numbers are sufficiently high, they actively work to keep various harmful agents strictly in check, and they simply do not let them overstep their natural boundaries. So, what is the most effective way for you to consume these chia seeds to ensure you get plenty of good soluble fiber and have a truly great effect for your health? You should pour 2 full tablespoons of chia seeds into half a glass of regular milk or almond milk, while completely avoiding the addition of any extra sweeteners or sugars. Then you stir it until it turns into a gel-like consistency. After that, you can incorporate a variety of fresh berries and kefir to it. If you can't find kefir, you can substitute it with full-fat yogurt or Greek yogurt as a suitable alternative. You can also choose to add a little bit of rich coconut cream and even some crunchy roasted nuts for extra texture, and then sit back to slowly enjoy it. Just remember, you should absolutely never grind your chia seeds into a powder. Engaging in this specific process causes the essential nutritional components and even the ALA omega-3s to oxidize, significantly reduces their overall shelf life, and even more concerningly, it completely destroys the gel-forming effect of the fiber. Alright, now that you have successfully learned all of these important things, it is finally time for me to introduce 8 highly effective home remedies that you can easily use to cleanse your arteries. This informative video also gives you some really good and helpful information, so please make sure that you don't miss it. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates.